Oh, yuck. I've got to change the water in the acetylene generator every time I put new carbide in it. I'm just covered in the stuff, it really stinks. Raw acetylene. This is calcium carbide. When it comes into contact with water, it makes the acetylene, so I've got to fill up this thing. Oh. And then I fill it with water and I remove this plug to set the water level. And that plugs to bleed the gas, to get all the air out. Put this shit back in. Put the top back on and tighten the wing nuts. And I'm going to check the water in the hydro ball valve.